Hi guys, welcome to my arts and craft channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a tote bag. So what are the materials you're going to need? You need a 1 meter pattern plastic, a 1 meter plastic that's transparent, 2 meter long ropes, 4 curtain rings, a super glue, masking tape, scissors, a giant ruler, a sewing machine, and some thread. So let's begin. To start, you will need to make this pattern on your fabric. You can also download or see the picture from my blog. Start by laying both fabrics on the floor. You should make sure your pattern fabric goes on top and the pattern is facing down. You can hold both fabrics together with tiny pieces of masking tape. Once you have finished tracing your pattern, you can start cutting it out. Now, take the fabric and fold it in half. We're going to sew the left and the right side. Now, we have to take the bottom corners and fold them in a way that they fit each side and sew them together. We need to sew the top of the bag. Taking our scissors, we're going to make some holes the size of the inside of our curtain rings. Then, take the curtain rings and paste them with glue. Once the curtain rings have dried, we can now place our meter-long rope through the holes and tie each end by making a knot. So this is it. I hope you really enjoyed my tutorial and especially your new tote bag. This is going to be really easy to clean now that you're going to the beach, and hope you have fun. Thank you guys!